हाँ बोलो बोलो डोला रे डोला बोलो
Did on a deserted island with Anushka and Deepika, what would you do?
Victory dance.
Basically based on romantic films. You can win
always
this
looking forward to
this
your
very
prize.
fine
Oh,
chocolate.
buddy.
Oh,
All right. So
I
I'll
will
keep it
fight and fight hard for
there.
chocolates.
Okay. Love.
Mughal Azam, Madhubala.
She's right. 6-4.
Alia, you're so intimidating in competitions.
Sorry.
No, please. I love that competitive.
I can't say the same for myself.
Yeah.
I'm
No,
scared of
no,
it.
equal.
Today, we are the lucky ones to be on his roller coaster. So fasten your seatbelts and gear up. He's a 1,000,000-watt bulb that lights up every space he walks into. Infectious, charming, endearing, and energetic. Ranveer Singh can take you through 9 emotions in all of 90 seconds.
Rumor about you that's true?
I'm involved with Arjun Kapoor.
Okay.
Rumor will start now, huh?
What's your wildest fantasy?
Arjun Kapoor tied to a bed.
If you were stranded on a
I have one question that I've been wanting to ask you since the time I've seen you.
Stop playing footsie with me, please. Can you stop distracting me? He's totally playing footsie with me right now.
That's the reason I've called him on the show.
Distracts me with this sexiness, and then he can ask me all these things and get the answers that he wants.
Yes, hopefully. So, Pucho.
I used to watch it every Sunday. Today is a Sunday. Every Sunday I used to be glued to the screen. The Born Vita Quiz Contest. Ting, 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 tiggy, tiggy, ding.
what we call as the most rocking part of the show, the rapid
I'm not
fire.
ready.
Why?
Baba, you're rapid.
I
You're
need a
always
break.
on fire.
You're not. Why?
Just.
No.
Why
Are you sulking?
But you're getting me all this, yeah.
Emotional.
Yeah.
I think that the promo of Bajirao Mastani is something that very rarely that people have seen in recent times. We will come to that later.
Okay.
We'll come to that later.
As long as we're going to come
Yeah,
to it. Okay. He has to sing.
Okay.
इस बार तो मैं मानूंगा ही नहीं.
We'll come to that. We'll come to that.
Entice you.
Baba, go for it, Baba. बड़ा तू है, पहले तू जाएगा.
Come, hug it out. Hug it out. Just hug it out. You're my jigar ka tukda.
Okay, if you could be any insect, what would you be?
Insect.
Insect.
Butterfly. Because not many people know it's an insect and it's a beautiful one. So yes.
It is.
Oh. Oh.
And it's also beautiful. There was Anushka at your wedding. There was Katrina who had history with. You know, it was so beautiful that it almost seemed, and they were not there naam ke vaste. You know, they were all there to wish you well and all of that.
It was really lovely, really lovely. Pink hearts.
All right. This is D. Kiran from London.
Hi, Dee.
If Ranveer had to write a book on the following, what will it be called? If you have to write a book on the following, what will it be called?
On the following.
Ji.
Sure.
Arjun Kapoor. Big laughter.
Baba the Great.
Oh, mere Baba the Great.
Thank you.
And
Thank
I
you.
hear it's your biggest opening.
Yes.
And-
Apparently so.
Ranveer, for me, and I think for a lot of people, you're really the heartbeat of the film. You really sort of made it. I want to start with something that actually Javier Bardem had said. So I did an interview with him and I said, do you have to...
You met him?
Yes.
Did you get a picture?
No, we're not
Why?
allowed to. But
he's so sexy.
He is so sexy. I agree. Oh my God. He
Right?
is divine. Absolutely. But so I asked
What about
him...
him with his vibe and Vicky Cristina? You just
Yeah. Yeah.
goals.
Yeah. Fully divine. But
No, but like I wanted to say this. Like coming back to what Ranveer said earlier about Simba, it is very difficult to make a film like that.
Yeah.
To reach out to the pan India for everybody to be coming and dancing in the theater along with you. I am sorry. It's harder to make a hit film. It's easier to make a good film.
That's also a function of it being comedy. Like, I think people feel like comedy.
Wake up opposite, next to this most beautiful woman and feel overwhelmed. Wow, this actually 6 years of courtship has resulted in this.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. It's pretty surreal. The thing is, touch wood, yaar. Hai nazar na lage meri baby ko. She's just so gorgeous, man. She's going to sleep. She's gorgeous. She wakes up. She's gorgeous. Middle of the day, she's gorgeous. She's just gorgeous in every way. My God, I wake up next to her. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Every day. It's been 6 years. I still can't believe it.
This is Rashmi from India. City has been given.
Don't rush.
Who would you rush?
In Article 15 or Andhadhun in between, but this is my staple. It's like asking Tiger Shroff not to do action. So,
Not to do
action.
Correct.
So, you know, this is my staple. And I love to do slice of life, subjective. I'll beat you up.
Okay.
I will beat you up. What's wrong with you?